My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the website easyadblocker.net. Easyadblocker.net is a malicious website because it promotes unwanted browser extensions. In fact, such unwanted browser extensions may operate as adware. If you install such extensions promoted by easyadblocker.net pop-ups, these extensions may actually display their own advertisements not associated with the sites that you visit. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you to be extremely careful and not to tolerate these pop-ups. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then if you find any third-party extensions here, of course, you may get rid of them. Also, to make sure that your computer is free of other, possibly hidden threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.